In this video, I'm going to show you the Black Friday sales for 2020 that are currently online. More might be coming on later on in the week. And every single thing I show you in this video is something that I personally use on my websites or client websites or niche websites. And the reason I use them is because they work great. And a lot of them have Black Friday sales. And a lot of them also have walkthrough and explainer and tip videos on my channel. So if you want to find out what they are before you buy, check out those videos. They're linked to in the description down below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below this video. My name is Aawp, from WPLearningLab. We help you get better at WordPress so you can earn more for yourself, for your customers, and for your business. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And now let's check out these Black Friday deals. There's links in the description down below for all the software I'm mentioning in this video. Some of them are going to be affiliate links, which means if you end up buying through that link, I get a small commission for that. It does not make it more expensive for you to purchase through that link. And every single piece of software I'm showing you today is stuff that I use right now in my own online business. And for most of these, I even have multiple videos on my channel explaining how they work. And some of them I even have full playlists. For Elementor, I have a full playlist for the free version and the paid version. It's currently on sale up to 25% off if you buy the Expert license, 10% off if you buy the Plus license, 0% off if you buy the single site license. And this discount only applies for this purchase today. It does not apply for next year's renewal. So keep that in mind. Next up, dynamic content for Elementor. This is my favorite add-on for Elementor because it allows you to do all kinds of dynamic stuff on your site. And I love dynamic sites because it makes them more automated, and I love automation. There's a 30% discount off every single plan that you see here. I have an entire playlist on this plugin. So if you do end up buying it, check out the playlist. It's linked to in the description down below, and you'll hit the ground running with this plugin. Or if you want to see what the plugin's about, watch those playlist videos first. You've got a couple days before this expires. Expires November 29th. So you can watch the playlist and then decide if you want to get this plugin or not. Divi has the most killer Black Friday sales out of anybody online. And they don't mess around. They don't start early. It starts on November 27th. And they're giving away, just like they do every year, 15,000 plus free things. That doesn't mean you get 15,000. You get one of them. They just have multiple copies of the things you're giving away. And I believe there's a link. Also, you can win an iMac before the Black Friday sale starts. You have to just fill out this form down here. There's 44,000 entries. And to enter, you do one of these things. You get some points. Then if your name is drawn from the hat, you get an iMac. So I can't find the thing I'm looking for, which is a link to the list of things you get for free when you upgrade these 15,000 free prizes. You'll see those on November 27th if you come back to this page. And basically, you get a free thing. At least last year, you got a free thing depending on when you upgraded to Divi. So the sale runs for multiple days. Depending on when you upgrade during those days, you get a specific free thing. If you look at the list of free things and you decide you want to have a certain one, you just make sure that you buy at that certain time to get that free thing. So that's Divi. One of the great things about Divi is it has lifetime licenses. I like lifetime licenses. WP Rocket, my favorite speed up plugin. I've got a bunch of tutorials for this one as well on the channel, and it is 30% off for 8 days. It's a pretty long sale. 30% off for 8 days. And like I said, I've got a bunch of tutorials. I'll link to them in the description down below so you can check out what this plugin does before you make a decision. And I use it on every one of my sites. And a big benefit is once you purchase, I purchased on Black Friday years and years ago. Once you purchase, you also get a 50% discount whenever you renew. So the price that you see on the page here is not the price that you renew at, unlike Elementor, where the price you see on the pricing page, there's no discounts in the future for renewal. There are for this. It's half off for renewal with WP Rocket. Next up is ShortPixel. They're more of an honorable mention. I use them on every one of my sites, but there's no Black Friday sale, apparently. But they are currently on AppSumo, where you can get a smoking deal on ShortPixel on AppSumo. Or if you watch this video after the AppSumo sale is gone, there's a link in the description down below. If you click that, you will get 50% more of each of these for even the free plan. If you click on the link down below, it's my affiliate link. It's a special link that gives you 50% more of everything, no matter what plan you're on. So if you go for the free plan, instead of 100 image compressions a month, you get 150 if you go through my link, even for the free plan. Then the 5K a month would be 7,500, and the 12K would be 18K if you go through the link in the description. Astra Theme has a sale. This is one of my favorite themes. They have lifetime options and annual options. I have a playlist for the free theme and the pro version of the theme sitting on my hard drive. I haven't yet uploaded it, but it's coming soon, and it walks you through all the features. So if you end up getting this theme, watch out for the playlist coming soon to my channel, and that'll help you hit the ground running with this awesome theme. SiteGround, the hosting that I use and recommend right now, you can see your substantial discounts. On the biggest one, normally $40, only $15 a month. And when you purchase the plan, this price is only valid for the term that you purchase for. So if you purchase your hosting for a year, this discount applies for 1 year, and then you pay this per month. But you can purchase up to 3 years of hosting from SiteGround on the initial purchase. And so you get this for 3 years if you purchase the 3 years right away. And I know there's cheaper hosts out there, but I find that SiteGround is the perfect balance of speed, security, and customer service. I have a blog post on my blog. I've linked to that in the description down below as well, where I list all the reasons why I use and love SiteGround. So if you're on the fence, check out that blog post. Next up is Maine Wp. I've not received an email about their Black Friday sale yet. They might not be having one, but they usually do. I picked it up on Black Friday a long time ago. Got the lifetime license for, I think it was $350 Canadian. Anyway, Maine Wp is awesome if you manage multiple websites or you have clients whose sites you manage. I've got a bunch of tutorials for this as well. Link to down in the description if you want to find out what it does before you buy it. WP Vivid does not currently have sales pricing on their pricing page, but it's only Tuesday, so it might still be coming. And I use WP Vivid on all my sites to back up and restore them, and I use them for staging if I have to use a staging site. I have tutorials for them as well, linked to in the description down below if you want to check out what it does and how it works and decide if you want to buy it if the sale does happen to come online. WP Vivid also integrates with Maine Wp, which allows you to manage and back up and restore and do staging sites on many, many different sites with a few clicks. So it makes life super simple, and that's why I love it. Something I'm upgrading this year, everything up until now I already own the biggest plan for or the lifetime license for. One I don't own the biggest plan for yet is this one right here. I'm upgrading it this year. It is Aawp. It allows you to have very nice Amazon product cards and product comparison tables on your website. I use this for my niche sites, and I'm upgrading this year. I already tried upgrading earlier, but it said I couldn't do it. There's an error. So I emailed support, so hopefully they get back to me. But either way, I'm going to upgrade this year, and it is a great plugin. I don't have any tutorials for this yet, but they're on YouTube. If you Google Aawp, you'll find a bunch of tutorials. You can find out what it is and why it's so great. And one more thing I'm buying this year, because I just started a recipe website, is Tasty Recipes. This is created by, I forgot their name. My wife is on their site all the time, Pinch of Yum. The creators of Pinch of Yum created this plugin. This makes the schema markup so much easier for recipe sites. And I keep refreshing this page hoping for a Black Friday sale. It hasn't come yet, but I'm going to keep refreshing, and hopefully it does. And if there's no sale, I'll end up buying it at full price just because my website could really benefit from this. And a funny side note, my name is Bjorn, and the developer of this plugin and the creator or co-creator of Pinch of Yum, his name is Bjork. So we almost have the same name. It's a nice little piece of trivia for you. So get out there, scope out your Black Friday deals. I know things are probably tight this year, but if you can make any of these Black Friday deals happen and improve your business through that, it is a good thing. So try to get out there if you can, and good luck. So at this point, in my opinion, the most valuable Black Friday deals are for WP Rocket. I've got the complete walkthrough video for it here, and the dynamic content for Elementor plugin. I've got the playlist for that down here. Make sure you check those out if you're on the fence about those two plugins, because they are awesome, and I use them literally every single day. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn Aawp, from WPLearningLab. Until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.